My name is Amanda Strickler-Holman, and this is my introduction video for EDL 853. I am from a very small town in central southeast Kansas that border in Anderson County, Kansas. I graduated with from a 1A high school with about 23 kids in my graduating class. Upon graduating high school, I had one goal, and that was to continue my volleyball career, which I had the opportunity to do that at Bethel College. After completing 2 seasons, I knew that Kansas State University was my home and where my educational interest lied. So I graduated from Kansas State University with my degree in agriculture education and a minor in animal science. I came back to what I consider home about 5 years ago, and I'm currently the agriculture education teacher at Iowa High School, which is a 4A high school. Is about 12 miles down the road from where I grew up, and I absolutely love my field and love my job in agriculture education. The picture on the right is our wedding photo. In July, we will be approaching 1 year, so it seems crazy, but the pandemic did not stop us last year in saying I do. A little more about me. Again, agriculture education is my current job, which I absolutely love. The picture in the top left is a national team, a team I took to nationals 2 years ago. And this year we once again won state in dairy cattle evaluation. So this is our 3rd year in a row going to nationals representing Kansas. And so that's an awesome thing. So I'll have a new picture this year with my new 4 taking them on that experience. The bottom left picture is, was my team last year in volleyball. I am the head volleyball coach at Iowa. This is a very special group. I started with most of my players last year were seniors, and I had started with them with freshmen, and we did very well last year. It was awesome, and this year is a rebuilding year, as I think I will have 3 of them returning, and we have a ton of freshmen out, so that should be fun. And then the picture on the right-hand side is just my pet, that's what I call her. She's one of my old show heifers, and I just have a love for animals, and she's still alive and doing well today. I love to travel anywhere tropical or warm. And so the picture on the top left was when I went to the Bahamas a couple years ago. The picture in the bottom left is our friend group that we travel around with a lot and ride ATVs and go on trails and stuff like that. And then the picture in the right, or on the right, is just the top of my horse out on the farm. You can consider it my happy place, or anytime where you just need peace and quiet. There's nothing like spending time with yourself with animals. So for the content questions for an inclusive culture, what is the school's leader's role in maintaining the culture? So I just came up with some things of the offer support. They need to continue to organize events. Any traditions that are already well established in the school should be continued. Support diversity and offer trainings to the staff on inclusiveness and how to handle certain things. If there is not an inclusive culture, so how do we create one? So first of all, you need to try to create an inclusive culture for everybody, include the community, search for curriculum that'll help, hire the right people. I know that's not always can get done super fast, but when choosing people to hire the right people, train your staff, support and encourage diversity, as well as offer trainings, again, which I've mentioned, to everyone. Advocate. What support can school leader provide to encourage advocacy? Practice what you preach. I think that goes a long way. A listening ear and support. People need to be felt, heard, and valued. What plans and strategies can be implemented? Assistance and support is huge for teachers. as well as building those connectivity, respect, and being able to celebrate all cultures and being inclusive with that. What steps can a school leader take to change any negativity or assumptions regarding this? Trainings. The school leader needs to be open about their vision, show that you care, and also demonstrate your expectations. Lead by example. And these are my references, and I look forward to working with all of you this summer.